Current, resistance, and voltage are all affected and impacted by each other somehow. So this relationship between current, voltage, and resistance is known as Ohm's law. Ohm was a person who found this equation. So remember that there's different units for all of these. Current is measured in amps, or you can just put a capital A. Resistance is measured in ohms. Voltage is measured in volt, or you can put a capital V. Ohms has this symbol called omega that you don't have to put on your computer. If you can't find it, you can just put ohms. So the equation is current equals voltage divided by resistance. So if we're just trying to find current, you can see in the middle here, current, this is abbreviated for I. I equals V divided by R. Current equals voltage divided by resistance. If you need to find voltage or you need to find resistance, you can rearrange the equation. But let's just look at finding current. So a flashlight has 4 volts of battery supplying power to the flashlight. If the bulb has a resistance of 40 ohms, how much current is flowing through it? So we're looking for current. And so I need to do current equals voltage divided by resistance. How much voltage do I have? I have 4 volts. What is my resistance? 40 ohms. So with this equation, all I need to do is divide 4 volts by 40 ohms. So I get my calculator out and do 4 divided by 40, and that equals 0.1. Because I'm trying to find current, I know that current is measured in amps. So my answer is the current is 0.1 amps.